Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you how I like to contour and highlight my face, and I will be testing out two new products, the HD Studio Photogenic Concealer by NYX and the Wonder Stick, the highlight and contour stick by NYX in the light medium shade. So I've already moisturized my face and use an extra eye cream for my under eye area because I'm really dry on that area, and I will be using a primer, this one by Pretty Vulgar. It's the Detox and Chill Primer, and I will be applying it mostly on my T-zone. That will be here on my forehead, here on my nose and around the nose, and on my chin, and I will be rubbing it in. Next I want to use a bit of foundation, and I will be using this one by The Body Shop. It's the Fresh Nude Foundation, and I will be using just a few pumps here on the back of my hand, and with the brush I will be applying it and blending it into my skin. And I always like to start from the center of my face and going outwards. So now for concealer, like I said, I will be using this one by NYX, and it is the first time that I'm using it, so I'm really curious to see how it works with my dry skin. And using a sponge, I'm going to blend that in. Well, it blends quite well. It has a nice texture. I think from the coverage it's like light medium, but I guess if you use more product then you can achieve a heavier coverage. Either way, I don't like a heavy coverage over all my face, so for the moment I'm okay with the final result. Now I will highlight extra here the area on my eyes. Then on the bridge of my nose, and I'll go right down to my teeth. Then I'll use here on my forehead in the middle, then here on my chin and around my mouth, and then I'll go with the contour, and using the darker shade I will do like two lines here on the side of my forehead, just like that, then here on my under my cheekbone to my ear. And I want to kind of do like, as you can see, it's like a round line. It's not coming down because I want to lift my face up, not bring everything down. Then just a bit here on my jawline, from the ear, down my cheekbone, and a bit upwards, like that. I'm going to do like this round line here. Like I said, you want to lift everything up the side of my nose. I'm going to start from here, from the brow, going downwards, all around the nose, here in the middle, to kind of make that lifted nose. Again, with a damp sponge I will start blending the highlighter, and as you can see I press the product into the skin. The same thing I will do for the contour, and as you can see, again I'm bouncing that against my face and kind of bring that upwards and here on my hairline. The same thing I want to do here. It's to bring everything up, give that nice lifted effect. after I done my contour and highlight, what I like to use is some powder on my T-zone. That will be here on my forehead, down my nose and on my chin. And for this video I will be using this powder by Estee Lauder, and I'll apply it with a small brush and just take a small amount. And like I said, here on my forehead, down my nose, and just a bit on my chin. You can obviously skip this step if you don't have an oily face and you like more dewy look, or if you like a more powdery look, then you can take a really big brush and just powder your face. And the last step will be to set everything together, and I will be using this setting spray by The Body Shop. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, it will really help me, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.